Hello everyone, so it's me Almeda. So ever feel like your laptop's slowing down, right? When you need it most? Well, today I'm here to help you speed things up. Whether it's freezing mid-work or just scrolling along, so let's troubleshoot that sluggish laptop and bring it back to life. So grab your laptop and let's jump right in. So step 1, so close unnecessary background application. So a common cause of slow laptop is having too many applications so running in the background. So to address this, so open the task manager. So you can press hotkey like Control Shift Escape, or you can right click here in the button and press task manager. As you can see, there are many apps that are running and that consuming your CPU or RAM. So if you find any unused app, so you can right click and press enter. So I cannot enter this also, so trying to run. And for the step 2, so scan for malware or viruses. Uh, as you can see, no current code, so let's just like quick skip scan. So let's make sure our malware isn't secretly slowing it down. So these steps ensures that your system is not being bogged down by any malicious software. Okay, there you have it. So no effect. And for the step 3, so free up hard drive space. So like settings and search storage. There you have it. So you can click the temporary files, and you can click remove files. And if you want to remove all the unused files, so you can search run and type in percentage temp percentage. Here, this is the unused files, so you can delete it. I will show you. I will delete it. So Control A and delete. And skip. And skip. Okay. And last for the run and refresh. Like this. Delete. And for the step 4, so update operating system and drivers. So you can search settings and check update. So Windows update, you're up to date. So keeping your OS and drivers up to date is essential for peak performance. So don't skip those updates. So they're like giving your laptop a little tune-up. Okay. And for the step 5, so disable startup program. So too many programs launching at the startup can increase boot time and slow down the overall system performance. So to optimize the startup, you can open the task manager, right click here and go to the startup apps. So as you can see, there are many startup apps that are disabled and enabled. So if you want to disable the unused app, so you can click right here like this, and I will disable these two. So like for example the serenade, so click disable, and disabling this will speed up your startup time and make your laptop faster right from the get-go. And for the step 6, so check for overheating. So overheating is a sneaky culprit when it comes to performance drops. So overheating can lead to performance trolling, you causing your laptop to slow down. So use the temperature monitoring like MSI Afterburner and reverse trigger. So for example here I'm using the MSI Afterburner. MSI. As you can see, I can check the CPU speed and the memory and the volt and the temperature of my laptop is 51. So if your laptop running hot, clean those vents or invest in a cooling pad. Keeping things cool keeps your laptop running smoothly. And lastly, last step, upgrade hardware if necessary. So if performance isn't what should I say? If you perform all my steps and your laptop is slowing down, so you need to upgrade your hardware like SSD and RAM. So for me, I'm using SSD so that So as you can see, my laptop is a little faster, and I upgrade my laptop too. So as you can see, I have a 16 GB. So upgrading hardware can be the ultimate fix with more RAM or speedy SSD. So you see a huge difference. So there you have it. So those are my top steps to troubleshoot and fix a laptop slowing laptop. So whether it's cleaning out software or clutter, so fixing hardware or just staying cool, so you've got the tools to boost your laptop performance.